In our last video, we discussed how to make millions of plastic parts using injection molding technology, which enables mass replication of plastic parts. However, to ensure efficient and stable production, relying on injection molding is not enough. Different products have varying structures, appearances, dimensions, and even materials. Choosing the right process can not only improve production efficiency, but also avoid most production defects. Hello, I'm Kyle, the Director of Engineering at Overmold. As a manufacturer, you must have encountered shrinkage issues. We have faced the same problem, but we solved it with one single process, without modifying molds or adjusting designs. This process is overmolding. Overmolding is an injection molding process. It injects another layer of material on the surface of the base material. Let's take a look at this sample of a perfume cap. As you can see, its considerable thickness makes it prone to shrinkage. How can we solve this issue without affecting production delivery? When it comes to shrinkage, you might think of redesigning and remanufacturing the mold or changing the product's shape. Alternatively, you might consider adjusting the injection pressure, pressure holding time, injection speed, and other process parameters. However, both mold modification and parameter adjustments require more time and effort. Retesting and transitioning to production can be uncertain and may incur higher costs. Our engineers decided to make a rapid tooling for the perfume cap to produce rapid prototypes as base material. These prototypes are smaller and rougher than the final product, but have the same basic structure. Then we mold another layer of material over these prototypes with overmolding process, completing the perfume cap's manufacture. As you can see, the result is these perfume caps are structurally complete, smooth, and flawless. Overmolding effectively wraps and fills the internal prototype, enhancing structural strength and reducing cooling inconsistencies caused by thickness, thereby preventing shrinkage and improving durability. Additionally, overmolding also allows for the use of different materials in a single product, combining various colors and textures to enhance appearance and quality without requiring secondary processing or manual assembly, effectively reducing labor costs. First, you need mold your part. We are dedicated to providing quality production solutions. If you're curious about more behind-the-scenes insights into mold making or injection molding production, feel free to leave a comment or message us. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting stories from the manufacturing process.